Mexican food is all about bold flavors and vibrant colors, and this burrito bowl is no exception. It's got all the good stuff: crunchy veggies, protein, a little dairy, and loads of that Mexican zest. Healthy doesn't have to be boring, and this bowl proves it. It's actually fun, fresh, and something you'll actually love to eat every day. So let's get started. We are starting off our burrito bowl with a hot pan and a drizzle of olive oil. Since we are making the Mexican rice first, toss in the chopped onions and let them turn golden and fragrant. A little salt helps speed it up and makes everything taste even better. As you can see, the onions have changed color, nice and golden. Now add the capsicum. We are not cooking it all the way through because it will continue to cook with the rice later on. Next, add about 1.5 cups of diced tomatoes. They bring a lovely flavor and freshness to our Mexican rice. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. The tomatoes have been cooking for about 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of red kidney beans. It's time to spice things up. Add some chili powder, cumin powder, and a bit of store-bought Mexican seasoning. Don't forget the salt. But remember, we have already added some earlier, so just a little this time. Finally, add the rice and give it all a good mix. The aroma right now is absolutely incredible. Now I'm adding 2 cups of water. Along with some sweet corn. Give it a quick stir, then cover it with a lid. We'll let this cook on low to medium heat for about 20 minutes, but make sure to check halfway through if you are worried it might stick to the bottom of the pan. On the other side, let's prepare the sautéed veggies for our burrito bowl. In a flat pan, add some oil. I'm using olive oil since it works beautifully for Mexican cooking, but you can use whichever you prefer. Add the sliced onions and cook them until they are about 60 to 70% done. Now add the capsicums. Just look at those beautiful colors. We are not cooking them all the way through because we want to keep that nice crunch. After about 2 minutes, it's time to add the mushrooms. Again, we won't cook them for too long. Just mix them in well and let them cook for a minute or so. Our veggies are looking great. Now it's time to add some spices. Salt to taste, some Mexican seasoning, and a bit of chili powder. Mix everything well and our sautéed veggies are ready. One tip, Transfer them to another plate right away because the pan is still hot and the veggies will keep cooking if left in it. Now let's check on our rice. Look at that. It's perfectly cooked. We are going to add some freshly chopped coriander for a burst of freshness. And just like that, another component for our burrito bowl is ready. Now for our Fresca mix. Here I have got chopped cucumber and a mix of capsicums. I'm using red, green and yellow, but you can use any combination you like. To this, add some sweet corn and a handful of fresh coriander. To the Fresca mix, add some mixed herbs, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Mix it all well. I haven't added onions here since we already have them in the sautéed veggies, but feel free to add some fresh onions if you like. Finally, add some black beans or red kidney beans if you prefer, along with chopped tomatoes. I like to add the tomatoes last because they release their juice, and adding them earlier can make the mix too watery. For our guacamole, I have taken some ripe avocados. In a bowl, mash the avocado. Then add chopped onions, tomatoes, salt and pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything gently. And finally, drizzle in a little olive oil. It gives the guacamole a beautiful shine. Here's a quick tip. If you're not serving it straight away, level the top, add a layer of lemon juice, cover it with Glad wrap and refrigerate. This helps prevent the guacamole from turning dark. Time to plate. I am assembling the burrito bowl my way, but feel free to put it together however you like. In a serving bowl, start with delicious Mexican rice we made earlier. Add the sautéed veggies, some fresh Fresca, a spoonful of chili beans, a few tortilla chips, creamy guacamole, and a dollop of sour cream. Season with a little salt and pepper. Squeeze some lemon juice, and last but not least, grate some cheese on top. Your burrito bowl is all set, fresh, loaded, and full of flavors. Drop your next recipe ideas in the comments. I always enjoy reading them. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe.